Let's begin.
What element is essential for building bones and teeth? Which transition metal often forms colored compounds used in paints and ceramics, e.g., cobalt blue? Which element's most stable oxide forms a protective barrier on aluminium and titanium, preventing further corrosion? What compound is commonly used as baking soda? Which alkali metal reacts violently with water producing hydrogen gas? Which element's oxide exists in multiple crystalline forms including quartz, cristobalite and tridymite? Which element is required for hemoglobin in blood? Which element was named after a planet and has symbol U? Which allotrope of phosphorus is red and safer to handle than white phosphorus due to lower reactivity? Which element is known for its use in batteries and has symbol Li? Which element forms a protective oxide layer on aluminium surfaces? Which gas phase diatomic molecule shows a triple bond and is isoelectronic with Co? Which element is used to make stainless steel alongside iron and chromium? Which element has isotopes used in medical imaging as PET tracers, e.g., F18? Which noble metal is used in fuel cell catalysts and is often alloyed with ruthenium to improve Co tolerance?